attention. But I've never been to roast yourself back yet. I do some pretty dumb shit.
What's
I can't
up,
let that
guys?
slide.
It's your boy,
The Black Mist. Yeah, 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 the Black Mist. What's up, guys? It's your boy, The Black Mist. Yeah, 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 the Black Mist. What's up, guys? It's your boy, The Black Mist.
Let me see, where should I start? I got so many ways so I can break your heart. First of all, when you say the sweats, I hope you cleaned your ears. Now, how in the hell you single for 18 years? And don't try to say
I'm just really shy.
when a girl won't know the show, I start to cry.
No, but I had girlfriends on PSN and Xbox Live.
Have you seen their face?
No.
Then it's probably a guy.
Okay, man, that's funny, man. But come on, that has to be you.
I don't understand the word you're saying. Please swallow your spit.
I think I'm gonna
Oh
leave,
no,
bro.
you sit right there, mate. You just in time. I'm about to expose you for all your clickbait. You know your vids suck, you use the pictures for the views, and it's still a fail. What's your highest, 22?
I mean, I don't mean to offend. Come on, man, don't get the blues. Remember, the main one who did this was
Yeah, the Black Mist. 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 Give it your cringy. Yeah, the Black Mist. 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 Give it your cringy. Your boy, the Black Mist.
You know what? I think I need to get out of here before he starts. Oh shit. At least it's time my anime to go with.
Oh, anime?
Get out here
Nah,
now.
bring that ass here, boy. I heard you have a bae, but she is today. She likes to chill and eat candy all day.
Yeah, she's the cutest girl in the world. I'm buying a body pillow today.
Is that right? Is that why you never got laid?
Fuck you.
I don't think you realize the seriousness of this, Isaiah. Okay? You're addicted to anime. Okay? So, pretty much, my sister set up a little intervention for me because of my addiction, pretty much. And you can find that on her channel, all that jazz. But I'm gonna end the video right here, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this roast yourself challenge, because I know I've seen everybody do it except me. So I was like, you know what? I had to put out something, you know? And other than that, stay tuned for my next video. And I catch all you little foxes next time. Later. Hey. 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 To what Mr. the Fox signing off. Talk to all y'all later.